morning, y'all. Good morning. Excuse me putting this on my face, y'all. I got this dry, I don't know, for some reason my face feel real dry, so I've been trying to keep it moisturized or whatever. But yesterday, I got my nails done. I haven't really been trying to spend too much, y'all, because I got a goal to accomplish. And yeah, so I ain't been really trying to spend that much because I'm trying to accomplish this goal, and y'all finna see that I accomplished this goal. So period. I want to, y'all finna come cook with me. Maddie, are you done? Y'all look at her. She always, you like your daddy. Now, good morning, y'all. It's your girl, Court, and we're back with another video. I know y'all been wondering where I've been. Y'all don't mind my face. It's extra greasy because my face been extremely dry, and I've been using Aquaphor for it. It's clear, but it's just dry or whatever. So, I'm finna go cook breakfast, and y'all finna watch me cook breakfast because I'm hungry, and I can't wait to eat. So, we finna go in here, and y'all finna cook with me and Miss Madison. Say hi. Hi. Yeah, y'all finna go ahead and cook with us. But before we get into the video, comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's go watch me cook, period. So y'all, actually, I'm finna run to the store real quick because I need like one item. I'm actually gonna cook some shrimp and grits because that sounds pretty good to me. But come on, and come from underneath the table. Y'all, this is an everyday thing. When she had to do number 2, she go hide. Come from underneath the table. Come on, because you stink. You stinky stink. Mommy got to change your diaper. Diaper, right. Come on. But yeah, we finna run to the store. I'm finna grab, like one item, one or two, couple things or whatever. Something for her to eat for lunch and dinner because I'm not, yeah. But I don't know, y'all. Y'all need to let me know if is it me or like fast food does not taste the same. All these restaurants be so nasty. Like, they really do. They be so nasty. Oh, yeah, y'all see the little dry patch on my face? This is like what I was talking about. My skin has been drying out like completely. And I'm so ready to take these braids out, even though I just got them like a week or two ago. But I don't know what I want to do to my hair for Christmas. I really don't. I really do not know what I want to do to my hair for Christmas. But I really just kind of want to do like, I don't know. Y'all gonna see. But then, no, I want some weave. Period. Your girl is missing her weave. I can't decide if I want red or blonde. But I'm kind of a blondie type of girl. But since my hair red, my real hair is red, I might stick with the red until the red grow out. Because I really don't want to put a lot of dye in my hair. I'm really not trying to damage my hair. Because I really cut all my hair off 2 months ago. And it's been growing back healthy. I did slap some dye on top of my hair after I cut it. So I'm just waiting till that grow out or whatever, as y'all can see. Don't mind this because I had that edge control in my hair. But yeah, I'm trying to wait till my hair grow out. But yeah, we finna go to the store. So I'm gonna cut the cameras back on when I get to the store. Madison, let's go. Now here guys, I always make sure I prep my grits. I make sure that I put heavy whipping cream in there, a few scoops of grits or cups of grits, butter and salt and water. Now I don't know how everybody else cook their grits, but I like mine kind of thick and creamy a little bit. I don't like grits that has a whole bunch of chunks in it. So I try to make sure when I do pour the cups of grits in the pot to make sure I stir them as soon as possible before they gets all balled and caked up. Alright guys, so what I do here is I take my pan cooking spray, spray the cooking sheet with the pan spray, and then next I'll pop the can of biscuits open, and then I lay my biscuits onto the pan. Normally when I am cooking biscuits, I always make sure I melt some butter and butter the biscuits so they can come out extra buttery. But this time I didn't do that because I was kind of in a rush to cook because I had to go to the store and grab a few items because we were out of a few things. But yeah, I just normally butter those biscuits with extra butter, but this time, like I said, I didn't do that. And yeah, now when I am cooking, I always make sure that I wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, so that way everything, it won't be so many dishes piled up in the sink. And once I'm done eating out the dish that I've used, I make sure I put that in the dishwasher, so that way I won't have extra work to do after I'm done cooking. Now, shrimp is done. The grits are done. And all we're doing We're waiting on the biscuits. The biscuits look almost done. So yeah, and then I washed the grapes off because my baby love grapes. And she eating, I had to make sure I put sugar in her grits because she is not gonna eat the grits without the sugar.